up next is an exclusive roundup of the week's key developments from Maharashtra in Maharashtra 360.
From transformative development plans and next-generation technology adoption to grassroots empowerment and citizens' welfare. Here's a look at what's making news this week across the country's largest economy in our exclusive Maharashtra 360. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis chaired the meeting of the Vikasit Maharashtra 2047 Advisory Committee, where the draft of the state's vision document was approved. The roadmap outlines Maharashtra's development targets in 3 phases to achieve the vision of a fully developed and sustainable state. Vikasit Maharashtra 2047 vision document sets a 3-phase timeline from foundational reforms by 2029, high growth acceleration by 2035 to making Maharashtra a global economic leader by 2047. The plan rests on 5 pillars: modern infrastructure, rural and agriculture, tech empowerment, AI-led governance, sustainable energy and employment-driven growth. Targets include pushing the state GDP beyond 50 lakh crore rupees, ensuring 40% renewable energy dependence and full digitization of government services. In a bid to bring all health initiatives under one roof and ensure that every eligible citizen gets their due without duplication, Maharashtra has decided to set up a dedicated health schemes war room. The goal is to bring transparency, eliminate duplication and make every rupee spent on public health reach the right beneficiary. The Health Schemes War Room will function as Maharashtra's central coordination hub for all health programs from Ayushman Bharat to state-level initiatives. A 12-member high-level committee will monitor implementation and ensure real-time decision-making through a unified data dashboard. A dedicated toll-free helpline will assist citizens in accessing benefits, resolving overlaps and tracking their entitlements. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis performed the Bhumi Pujan of the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Research and Training Institute Mahajyoti in Nagpur. The new institution aims to empower OBC students through education, training and financial inclusion. It is a key step towards creating equal opportunities and nurturing skilled, self-reliant youth across Maharashtra.
म्हणून मी आपल्याला निश्चितपणे सांगतो, ज्या ठिकाणी मराठा समाजाला न्याय देण्याची वेळ आली त्या ठिकाणी मराठा समाजाला न्याय दिला, पण मराठा समाजाला न्याय देत असताना ओबीसी समाजावर आम्ही कधीच अन्याय केला नाही आणि ओबीसी समाजाच्या पाठीशी पूर्ण ताकदीने आणि खंबीरपणे आम्ही उभे आहोत.
The state has launched over 60 hostels to provide quality accommodation and learning facilities for OBC students. Will also receive interest-free loans of up to 15 lakh rupees, enabling them to start their own ventures. The newly launched Mahajyoti Institute in Nagpur will serve as a hub for research, training and skill building. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde inaugurated the state-of-the-art Dhanveer Anand Dige Natya Mandir in Ambernath. The facility is designed to serve as a local cultural hub, enabling citizens of Ambernath and surrounding areas to access theatre, arts and events without travelling to Kalyan, Dombivli or Thane. The Natya Mandir boasts a 658-seat auditorium and all modern facilities to host stage plays, cultural shows as well as large gatherings in Ambernath. The auditorium is fully equipped with an all-audiovisual performance facilities. Previously, local residents had to travel to Kalyan, Dombivli or Thane for theatre. Now, the city offers its own venue. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar chaired a key meeting in Baramati that laid out a new roadmap for the cooperative sector. After focusing on agriculture, Maharashtra will now use artificial intelligence to drive holistic development in cooperatives, speeding decision-making, improving data systems, increasing transparency and guarding against fraud. Maharashtra is ushering in an AI-driven era for its cooperative sector, using technology to speed up decisions, strengthen data control and ensure transparency in day-to-day transactions. AI tools will help detect and prevent fraud early, making cooperatives more accountable and efficient. The government will assess technical and financial feasibility, forge partnerships with global tech leaders like Microsoft, and establish centers of excellence to develop scalable AI solutions tailored for cooperatives. Well, those were all the news updates we could pack for you in Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.